be free.
Take it to the chorus. Come here, girl. Go ahead, be gone. Come to the back. Go ahead, be gone with it. VIP. Go ahead, be gone. Drinks on me. Go ahead, be gone with it. Working with. Go ahead, be gone. With those hips. Go ahead, be gone with it. Make me smile. Go ahead, be gone. Go ahead, child. Just sexy up. 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 Money. Let's get money, motherfucker, get money. Let's get money, motherfucker, get money. Let's get money. Let's get money, motherfucker, get money.
World of pure imagination, come with me and you'll see Guys, I watched Wonka yesterday, so I'm hella inspired by Wonka right now. What's up, everybody? Good morning. Happy Monday. Hold on. Come with me, and you'll be in a world of pure imagination. Guys, I'm chilling today, man. Listen, I'm not going to be screaming in your ear today. Because I do that enough, man. I do that enough. But before we start talking, people of the internet, can I get a sound check, boys? Can we make sure that I sound good? How do I sound? Are we good? All right. And in the meantime, while I start seeing those pickle emojis in the chat, let me lower this so it's not so loud in my ear. And let me say what's up, man. What's up, Jet? How you doing? Good morning. Happy weekend, everybody. Or hope you had a good weekend, rather. Hope nobody was destroyed on Friday / Saturday with that massive dump. We're absolutely going to talk about it today. Razor's in the chat. What's up, brother? Says, let's go. Bitcoin Bear. Wow, early stream. Is this the new streaming time? I don't know. Man, listen, I used to stream in the morning, and then my competitors started streaming in the morning, so I had to switch it up a little bit. Because, hello, the baby fish got to eat too. So, to be honest, like, I don't really know. I think 1 o'clock. So right now it's 12 EST, but I think around 1 is going to be like my time. I got to like squeeze in with the other market Cipher creators. What's up, Ty? Good morning, bro. How you doing? Jason won't be around too much. Have a good work day, my brother. Rendell's in the chat. Matt's in the chat. What's popping? Guys, I am in a short trade. Shouts out to my VIP members because we called this short trade. We're going to get to it here in just a few minutes. Baker's Food. Let's do this. What's up? Rendell's in the chat. What's popping? Scott, Tommy Luck, Alex O Crypto is here. Boom, boom, boom. I can't beatbox to save my life, but shouts out to Alex O Crypto. Guys, go give Alex a like and a subscribe. Should I short from 64.7 to 63.7? Hey, bro, listen, I'm gonna tell you this. At the end of the day, man, it doesn't matter what your entry is and what your exit is, as long as you're in the green, man. So if you can short from 64.7 to 63.7, why not? You know, why not? Why not? Shouts out to Muzz G. What's poppin'? Dak is here. What's up, Dak? Yo, you guys just heard that voice crack? Someone told me gap on CME considered close if you pull out the gap fib and if it touches the 618. I wouldn't consider it like filled. No. I mean, here's the thing about gaps, guys. Like, it's not okay. Hold on. Let me change this music because I'm like, here, we'll do this one. It's a different version, not piano, but like still Wonka. Anyways, guys, so listen, you know, sometimes the gaps get filled, sometimes they don't. Sometimes they get filled fully, and sometimes they don't. And so they are simply just a tool that we can use to utilize where we're able to, you know, just add confluence to our levels, essentially. Do I pay attention to them? The truth is I do, but not as much as I should. I definitely should be paying attention to them a lot more than I do. But hey, guys, listen, we're short from up here. We're chilling in the short. Things are all well. I don't know where my positions went. They're supposed to be up here, but I guess they're not. So you'll have to just take my word for it. But we are. I am in a couple shorts right now from the high here. And we're going to talk about why I entered this short and how you could enter that short moving forward, because there was a relatively easy short, which we're going to talk about here in just a second. Imagine macro support resistance flip test at the 30s. Bro, I want 30K so badly. Not even just because, you know, you'll have a good chance to buy, but because then everybody that has been slandering me for months will finally shut the fuck up and say, oh, it's not possible. It's not possible. Anything is possible, guys. Anything is possible. Lewis got absolutely wrecked Saturday. I'm sorry, bro. Shouts out Sprague. Shouts out Danny. Shouts out Muzz G. Shouts out Ben. Shouts out Trading Lifer. Shouts out Scott. What's poppin'? Good afternoon. Good morning. Wherever you are in the world. Good evening. John Vucci. Hello, hello. PX. Bro, how high? I'm high on life, brother. I don't do drugs. Good morning. What's up? What's poppin'? Big smash the likes. What's up, legend? Your bro is baked. Nah, brother. No, that's all, man. No, that's all, man. No, that's all, bro. I really think Bitcoin will go up 75% just before we start the big pump. I think we're gonna have a nice correction. Yeah, 75% down. Me too, bro. I think down and sideways for the summer. My damn short not getting hit $20 from the top. Oh, Lewis, that sucks, man. I'm sorry to see. Hi baby says, why don't you show your trades on the exchange? I actually did show my trades for the past, like, I don't know, 3 weeks. And then I don't know, there's like a lot of complications that come with that, you know. And I still stand by, listen, just because the last 2-3 weeks I've been showing my positions, like it's really, I mean, just to show the, I guess, I don't want to say authenticity of it, but you know, people have speculations, but I mean, at the end of the day, it really is not anybody's business. So right now I was supposed to have my positions up here. I'll show you. This is the one in the thumbnail, but I don't typically show it, and I'm not going to keep showing it. But this is my position currently, up $450. Nothing crazy, right? Nothing spectacular here. $450. Nothing crazy. This is one of my 2 positions, my 2 short positions that I have right now. But anyways, yeah, I mean, I don't really show it because, well, I mean, I do. I've been showing it. But I actually, like, to be honest, I woke up yesterday and I'm like, yo, I gotta stop showing this. Because I believe in, as loud as I am and as much noise as I like to make, I do believe in remaining humble. I do believe that everything I've been given is a blessing. And I think it's, you know, it's not important. At the end of the day, I'm not teaching you guys how to make money. I'm teaching you guys how to trade, right? So it doesn't really matter what I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? Like, the money is the result of the trading, but I'm teaching you how to trade. I'm not teaching you how to make money. Don't get that twisted, you know? So that's essentially why. Anyway, so Bitcoin, we got some updates, man. We got to talk about Bitcoin here. Muzz G, what's up, bro? Loving the channel. I'm glad that you're loving it, man. I really appreciate that. I love that you're here. Thank you very much for the feedback. John Vucci, bro, I shorted the top. Had your stop loss set tight because you're working. Would have re-entered. Oh, man. Sorry to hear, bro. But hey, you know what? At least you're not in the red. All good. Always another chance to make that money. Yes, sir. $20 trade for me is considering an amazing trade. There you go, man. There you go. Stop showing it first. Learn from me. Yeah, I'm not gonna show it anymore. I don't think it's anybody's business. Shouts out to Ross. Started watching me recently, really digging it, bro. Thanks for the content. No worries. All right, guys, let's get right into it, man. We're chilling today. We're vibing. I'm not trying to yell, you know, like I always do, screaming and singing. Nah. Let's just, like, you know, cut the noise. Let's get into the bare bones of what the hell happened. All right, so let me just say this, okay? Bitcoin, where do we even begin, man? Where do we even begin? By the way, do you guys like my new Market Cipher colors? Shout out to Market Cipher, by the way, the sponsor of the channel. Yeah, shouts out to Market Cipher. Shouts out to Crypto Face. Also is in a short position and snoozing away right now. All right, so let's just go over what we see here. Very first thing, obviously, we're in our macro range. Let me hide everything here. Okay, we're in our macro range. We've talked about this macro range plenty, okay? There are people that are saying, oh, never 60K again, never this again, never that again. Now, there's no doubt that I've been cautious, you know, for a while, for quite some time. And, you know, this is exactly why. Like, this is easy liquidity. This is why trend lines don't work. This is why, like, why would you trade like retail if retail loses? You know, this is literally exactly why, for reasons like this. And, you know, people got wrecked. And I was not actually short on the market. I was working over the weekend and doing other stuff. I wasn't trading, but it's fine. It's all good. And so what ended up happening was we had a massive sweep of liquidity. Did I expect to fall this fast, this quickly and this hard? No, not in the slightest. I did not expect it in the slightest. I could tell you, yeah, I mean, there were signs that we were going to go down, right? We were talking very extensively about how we had so many order blocks above us, so much resistance above us. There was a lot of reason to go down. We were talking about that. And, you know, I didn't expect us to get this flush quite yet. Okay, so I mean, shouts out. So I had a video. Actually, let's start here. So I had a video on YouTube. Okay, I made this video The truth about the Bitcoin all-time high. Obviously, you could see me saying not good here in the thumbnail, right? And essentially what I was talking about in the video was getting this liquidity sweep. Now, don't get it twisted. I'm not going to sit here and say that I was not targeting one more all-time high, right? Because we know the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences on market Cipher B, which is the #1 rule if you are new here. And so I was expecting one last all-time high, which would have given us a nice divergence. I thought that this was going to just touch the high, like Wick the high and SFP the high. And that's what I was saying in this video, right? But shouts out to this one dude. Hold on. He left, I think, probably one of the stupidest comments that I have ever seen in my entire life. Let's put this guy on blast real quick. Let me find it. Hold on. Was it this one? Ah, this guy. Okay, shouts out to Speed Racer. So in the video, I was essentially saying, guys, like a massive liquidity grab is coming. That's basically what I said. The only thing that didn't happen in that video, because we got the massive liquidity grab, the only thing that didn't happen was us touching the high, right? Because I was like, okay, yo, this is like a nice divergence to come and take the high. I really thought we were going to come and tap the high. It's the only difference, the only thing. And he's like, this didn't age well. So shouts out to this Bhakti who, man, these pencil necks, these guys that have the blinders on that think, oh, everything you say is like gospel and there's no variation to it. The idea is there, okay? I'm out here while we're at the top and everyone's screaming 150K. I'm the ones that's telling you that, guys, on the weekly time frame, look at the weekly time frame still. We still, on the weekly time frame, have not even started the dump. There is no pullback here. If you zoom out and you be objective, okay? This is a pullback. This is a pullback. This is not a pullback. This is nothing. We're still ranging. Guys, as long as we're in this range, we haven't even dumped yet. Okay? So it's funny because anyway, I'm not here to go on about that and blast this kid, although he made it very easy for me to do so. We're going to talk about why I'm short now, where I'm potentially targeting, how do we capitalize on these moves here, why you should join the VIP Discord, because I literally told, I'll show you in a bit here. But we're gonna, what am I targeting? The first thing that I could tell you right now. So we already know, I was targeting the high. We missed the high. We wanted the liquidity grab. We got the liquidity grab. On first glance, you might think, oh, this is an SFP. Yeah, it could be. Could be an SFP. Could be. But, as of right now, currently, I still expect lower, and I'm going to explain why here. First of all, if we're going to get into the drop level 1, drop level 2 of it, here's your drop 1, here's your drop 2. We're expecting our drop 3. So this, what we're about to get right now, is our drop 3. Okay? That's our drop level 3. We have our 1, we have our 2, we'll have our 3. Bitcoin has been in this precarious, don't know if that's the right word, but I'm using it. Word of the day. Precarious mood. Where it does this really, really, really fucking annoying thing. Really annoying. Where when it pumps, it ranges. Okay? Look, pump and then range. And then when it dumps, it actually doesn't range. It dumps and then does this gay curling shit. Okay? Where it doesn't range properly. Right? It dumps. I'll show you here on the lower term time frame exactly what I mean. It does this garbage. Okay? It dumps. So pumps and then ranges. And then dumps, and it does this stupid curling bullshit, right? Makes it very difficult to trade the range. Now, I don't know if you guys remember, but once upon a time, that was not the case. Once upon a time, you would dump, you would have a wick, and then you would actually come back and recover that wick, okay? Now, there's a couple notable things about this wick. Number one is, obviously, it was a very large wick. Obviously, we are expecting potentially our drop level 3, and obviously, we can come and take this low. But not just that, this low didn't take out this low, okay? Now, do I think that this low was super significant? Probably not at this moment in time, because as I just mentioned, Bitcoin does this thing where it dumps and then it just gets slurped right back up. It's super gay, right? And so this was kind of a long time ago, so I wouldn't give too much emphasis on it. But if we came this close to that low, and we are potentially expecting our drop level 3, I would say, well, why wouldn't we make a run for that low? Because I don't want you guys to just look at the low and say there's liquidity. It matters how long that liquidity has been intact. And as of now, it has been 40 days since we've seen $59,000. Okay, not just that, but if you're if you're one of the newsman people, whatever, then you know that the ETFs in China or whatever the hell got approved. I don't follow news. I don't care. It doesn't affect my life. But we also have that. And in the VIP Discord today, I actually even asked my members, I'm like, yo, guys, what's the opposite of FUD? Because FUD is like, oh man, they're hammering down on this, they're hammering down on that. But what's the opposite? What's like when there's good news and then they just dump it? And I don't know what the conclusion, what we came up to was, but that's, in my opinion, what's happening right now with the China ETF. Okay, guys, it can't do this gay pattern, right, where it pumps and then consolidates and then it just dumps and then just does this curl. It can't do that forever. Okay, it can't do that forever. And so why am I more bearish than I am bullish right now? Well, despite our friend in my YouTube comments that says that this didn't age well, when in fact it actually aged perfectly well, and I hope he can still breathe from being so underwater. I will say this, okay? 4-hour structure. Okay, actually, let's start on the daily. We've been talking about this. And by the way, guys, if you are new here, welcome. If you're turning, welcome back. My name is Gio, and every single day I teach you guys why the market moves the way that it does, okay? I'm a smart money way to, or I approach the markets in a smart money way. I don't really use fibs and triangles and, you know, the head and shoulders, knees and toes thing. Like, I stopped following that when I graduated kindergarten. So I don't trade like that, okay? I'm a logical trader. I'm a practical trader. I'm cautious at the highs, understanding that there's a lot of liquidity. I'm not a moon boy. I'm not going to sit here and tell you that Bitcoin is not going to see 53K, because I can almost guarantee that it will. You know, I think that we can even get... Actually, let me just show you what I think we could get. Since we're here, come with me and you'll see. So this morning, actually, I'll go to that in a second, but I was even telling my VIP members that this might be the move that brings us down to 53K. People don't want to hear it, but check this out. This is what I think might happen, honestly. Actually, you know, I'll show you on Twitter. Let's come over to my Twitter. Come with me and you'll see. So this is what I actually think might happen. Dead ass, okay? We might sweep the low, come up, take some liquidity on the highs, okay? Then drop to 53K, then drop to 40 whatever K, then get our Black Swan event down to recover $30,000, and then the bull market continues from there. Listen, before you unsubscribe, before you wish harm on me and my family, because we have disagreeing points of views on Bitcoin, because I'm saying Bitcoin might fall 50%, and that, by the way, if Bitcoin falls 50%, then your altcoins can make new lows, which I've also illustrated on my Twitter. So you guys, I mean, this wasn't supposed to be a plug for my Twitter, but since we're here, you guys should go follow my Twitter, TraderGeo_YT, because I do post stuff there that I don't post anywhere else. And this is a good example here. You know, ADA is already down 44% from the yearly high. We're only 50% away from new bear market lows on ADA, and that's just one example. So let me ask you a question. Let's be objective, okay? Let's not be liberals here. Let's be real. Let's live in reality. If Bitcoin drops 50%, do you think that ADA can drop 50% or more than 50%? So if that happens, I'm not saying it's going to, but like I said, I'm aware of like real life. And so if Bitcoin drops to 30K, I can almost guarantee you that ADA is going to make new lows, which means your altcoins are going to make new lows. And I'm not saying it's going to, but you know what I'm saying? I see you, bro. Thank you very much. I appreciate the love. Why do I keep dancing? Come with me. And I'm walking, brother. I got to get my cardio, and I didn't hit the gym yesterday. I didn't hit the gym yesterday. I hurt my back over the weekend. 38K UC getting tested. Yeah, man. I mean, look, we'll see. Look, at the end of the day, man, I can't tell you that it's gonna go here or it's gonna go there. You know, I can't tell you it's gonna hit 40K or gonna hit 50K. What I can tell you is right now, market structure is pointing down. That's what I can tell you. Until market structure starts to point back up, then we'll have a different conversation. But I just work with the new data that's presented to me. Bro, I've been using Fu Manchu, still struggling with scalping. Should you get Market Cipher B? Guys, this is what I will tell you, man. This is what I will tell you. Because I used to get this question a lot all the time in the beginning. In my opinion, Market Cipher B is the only oscillator that you need, but it is kind of expensive. I'm not going to sit here and say, you know, a lot of people don't have $1,500 that they could just dish up. And I understand that, okay? I get it. If you're struggling with Fu Manchu, it's likely because of the money flow. And the truth is that there's no money flow like Market Cipher. So this is what I suggest you do, because on Fu Manchu, the waves are the same, although money flow is what's important. I have a playlist. This is what I'm going to suggest for you, bro, and then we're going to carry on here. I have a playlist on YouTube, a Market Cipher playlist, okay? I talk about the order of operations, very big thing. And by the way, there is, just for the record, no other channel that talks like this, okay? No other channel. I truly believe, and I don't mean this in a cocky way, I swear to God I don't. I truly believe that I am one of the most, the best readers of Market Cipher, like, in the world. I'm not even joking. Like, I have my own concepts. I have my own things here. So I suggest that you, my recommendation is you go to this playlist, watch the playlist, try to apply what you see in the playlist to Fu Manchu, although understand that the Fu Manchu money flow is not even a little bit accurate relative to Market Cipher, and then make a decision from there, okay? Make a decision from there. And if you decide that you want to purchase, since we're here, gotta do it. I do have a 20% off discount code for you if you use code TraderGeo. And if you purchase Market Cipher for life, then you get 1 year free of my VIP. And if you purchase it for one year, then you get 1 month free of my VIP. All right, let's talk about the VIP, man. So guys, look, you know, especially the ones that have been here, you guys know that I'm out here, I'm singing, I'm dancing, I'm fun and whatever. There's only one time in trading where I'm serious. And it's when it's time to take profits, okay? So we're gonna go over what happened here at the high and why this was a relatively very easy short position. But I'm gonna give you this little update right now, okay? This is one of the videos. So every day on my chat in my VIP Discord, I give you guys the levels I'm looking at. You know, we do live streams. I do Q&As. You guys ask me questions all the time. And I'm actually in here. I have a scalp channel that I update like 10 times a day. And I'm in here getting my hands dirty with you guys, okay? So, like, I'm in the trenches with you guys. And so this is one of the updates that you will get. I'm going to press play, and then I'm going to go pee because I've been drinking this Dr. Pepper, not a sponsor. So while this plays, I will be back in like 2 minutes anyways. But this is an example of the kind of updates that you get in my VIP, and I very clearly illustrated not right before, like we had a long time to get into this trade. So I'll go over the trade here in a second, but I'm just gonna press play and I'll be right back.
In the macro of it, in the more macro of it, we are basically at this like initial level, okay? Remember, I say basically, if you saw the update yesterday, if we add this area as well, which we can, you know, we are considering essentially this to be like that, okay? Like you know, it's basically like that. Now, what do we see here? Well, we do have, let's get rid of this. We do currently have structure that has officially broken against us, okay? So this is notable because 30-minute down structure has flipped bearish, okay? So whether we continue to pump from here, it's time to take profit on the longs, boys. It's time to TP, okay? Maybe not the whole position if you don't want to, in anticipation of potentially coming up to this zone. Okay, so
Anyways, while past me took care of current me that was using the bathroom, or restroom, as you Americans say. I'm not gonna play the whole video, but you guys get video updates like that all the time. And so basically, that's when I'm serious. When I'm like, all right, boys, it's time to take profits. That's exactly when it's time to take profits. And listen, I'm not gonna sit here and show myself because I'm biased, man. I'm gonna sit here and tell you that I'm gonna sit here and tell you that, yeah, I mean, it's a good thing to do, but I mean, come in, check out the Discord, and check out the testimonials section. You'll hear it from there if you want to join. The links in the description down below. All right, for real, I'm done chilling. Let's talk about what happened and why it was an easy trade and how you can get in. But there it is. If you want to hear the VIP testimonials, we got VIP P&Ls in here. You know, great community. Not even a community, rather network. We don't say community, we say network around here. All right, so let's talk about it. Let's talk about why I flipped short. Okay, why I flipped short. If you were around, you know that we were basically just trading the range. Look at that. Boo. Goodbye. See you later. We were basically just trading the range, and we know that the range was actually kind of looking quite ugly because of this massive wick. I accidentally closed my long position, but I had the perfect entry. I think my entry on the long here, which it was, don't ever do this. It was a horrible idea to try to catch this knife, but my entry was like 59937. I was like 20 bucks off the bottom or something. Like it was actually wild. Anyways, so we know we have that ugly curling up effect. We know that they can't do that forever. Like they can't not run lows forever. You know, we've been in a macro uptrend. We've been super overextended. We've been, you know, just straight up only. We've been giving those divergences, okay? Here on Market Cipher, the first clue that you have, which I also, by the way, illustrated on my Twitter, and I'm the only one that's talking about this, are the divergences on the money flow and the momentum waves on Market Cipher B on the weekly time frame, okay? I'm going to hide my RSIs on my sexy new Market Cipher colors. I know, they're really good. Thanks for noticing. Look at, we have all-time high between market divergences, okay? Between market divergences. And these are absolutely spike waves, by the way, on the weekly time frame. So things can get pretty ugly. And I promise you, nobody else is talking about it, at least not that I've seen. Okay, nobody else is talking about it. So, that being said, I saw a comment earlier that I want to address. Right here, can't drop so low this year. A 20% drop is more realistic. There is support there. My friend, this is what I will tell you. I'm not saying you're right, and I'm not saying you're wrong, because I don't know. I don't know if you're right or wrong, Pythias. But what I will tell you is that you can't say the word can't. Get that out of your trading vocabulary, because you don't know. Like, anything is possible. If I've learned anything, and hopefully if you've learned anything, can't is the biggest mistake that you can say. So we're not going to use that word. We're not going to say it can't do this. Yes, it can. We said it couldn't break new highs, and it did. Yes, it can. It can do that. It can drop more than 20%. Can. Anyway, so we have that. Fine. The daily time frame low, we know, is all the way down. Actually, there's two places, and they're arguable. The first one is down at 50K, which means price is allowed to come all the way down to 50K while still remaining bullish on the daily time frame. Okay. The second option, which it's a little bit subjective, is 38K, which means Bitcoin's allowed to come all the way down to 38K while still remaining bullish on the daily time frame. That sounds scary. That sounds scary enough. That sentence alone should frighten you. Okay. Anyway, let's pretend we're gonna take the conservative option and say 50K. So price is allowed to come all the way down, drop another 21%. Okay, to line up with what my boy said, while still remaining bullish on the daily time frame. Cool. That's cool. I'm cool with that. Fine. Right now, we know that that's basically our order block. We got a nice order block. I'm not gonna get super into it. Doesn't matter. We have support here at 53K, undeniably, and we have relatively nothing to hold us up between there. So if we start closing candles below 59K, GG, we're coming down to 53. That I can almost guarantee you. Okay. So the 4-hour time frame is interesting, because the 4-hour time frame, back when I was flying to Miami, and I've talked about this many times, I was in the airport and I made an emergency video because the 4-hour time frame had flipped bullish. And as soon as the 4-hour time frame flipped bullish, my target already right off the jump was a new all-time high. Understanding that we had quite a bit of resistance at the high, we knew that, but my target was a new all-time high. Fine. Okay, fine. Later on, if you follow on your 4-hour market structure, long story short, over this drop that happened over the weekend, okay, we had actually flipped structure back to bearish, okay? We flipped back to bearish market structure. So now the 4-hour time frame, whether you want to hear it or not, is bearish, okay? But what does that mean? Because people tell you, like, people always say, yeah, this time frame is bearish, this time frame is bullish, but nobody knows how to explain anything because nobody actually knows what they're doing. Well, luckily for you, I'm gonna tell you what this means, okay? Remember, you need to understand that time is like across all time frames, and time is like a multiverse, okay? But understand that there is something called order flow objective. In order for them to bring price, let's just say, okay, basically the order flow objective is essentially where the market makers are intending to bring price. Let's just say market makers want to take price down to 53K, hypothetically. I'm not saying they are, but let's just say they are. At some point, structure would have had to have flipped bearish in order to even get the price down here, okay? So you need to understand the order flow objective. If the 4-hour time frame, okay, has flipped bearish and our daily low is all the way down here, and price is allowed to come all the way down here while still remaining bullish on the daily time frame, then this 4-hour break of structure is our first clue that we could come lower, right? So we're just understanding what the structure means relative to other time frames, okay? That's all we're doing. So 4 hours now bearish. Now your eyes should be opening. Like if you're going to be talking about either 100K or 50K and 4 hours bearish, you should be talking about 50K more than you're talking about 100K because you're 4 hours bearish. And that doesn't mean, like, we could get this, right? Let's just say this happened. Let's say the same thing that happened earlier in this range where you flipped bullishly on the 4-hour. Then, all right, maybe we could talk about, you know, not 100K, but like 75K, 80K, taking the highs again. But only at that point. But until then, 4 hours pointing down, right? Yes, your daily time frame is pointing up, but we know that the daily can come all the way down another 20%. And your 4-hour is your clue that we're going to get that pullback on the daily time frame. And we haven't even had the daily time frame pullback yet. And you might think, oh man, this is it. This is not it, guys. This is not. Maybe, okay, fine. Arguably on the daily, sure. Definitely not a weekly. 100% this is not a weekly pullback. 100%. We're still just ranging, okay? So this is how you need to approach time frames. And nobody really explains that. I don't know. I feel like a lot of YouTubers just don't have a clue as to what's going on. So we already established that the daily, and this is how you can clear up the confusion. You know, daily's bullish, but 4 hours bearish. What does that mean? No, it doesn't mean long. That means that your 4 hours is probably going to be the move that pulls back towards your daily. You know, like that's what's gonna, like, basically what it's looking for. Now, when you pair that with the confluence of drop level 1, drop level 2, potentially right now getting our drop level 3, the confluence with that liquidity that we could have grabbed right over here, the confluence with those divergences on those higher term time frames that we were talking about, the confluence with that for 40 days this low has not been attacked, okay? When you pair all of these confluences together, the fact that this is probably a cheat sheet entry or forming cheat sheet entry here on the 2-hour time frame, money's coming out of the asset. We have the vector candles that have been recovered. We just hit this order block, which we're going to talk about here in just 1 second. When you add that and you're stacking the probabilities, this is how you can identify whether really you're going to go up or down, or basically how you are going to build your narrative, okay? Remember, every single day on this channel, I teach you guys how to build a narrative. Guys, let me check something real quick. All right, we got 194 people in here. If you're new here, welcome. If you're new here, if this is your first stream, drop a 1. Drop a 1 in the chat if this is your very first stream. And do me a solid, man, because I do this every single day for you guys. We have 200 people in here, but we only have 70 likes. So either 130 of you don't like me, or don't like free TA, or don't like building the narrative, or don't like that I'm saying potentially 53K, or don't like my face or my voice or my beard, or y'all just forgot to hit the like button. It's a free way for you to support me, and I really appreciate it if y'all could do that. Also, every 100 likes I get during my live streams, for the ones that are new here, I do giveaways, okay? So I currently have 4 boot camps. Each one is over 3 hours long, and it teaches you. Basically, these 4 concepts are exactly what I do on a day-to-day basis, okay? So I do giveaways every 100 likes. And, you know, you can learn things like market structure and advanced market structure, order blocks, and liquidity. Speaking of, we got some 69s in the chat. Yeah, you like the chill music stream? I kind of like it, man. I've been screaming a lot lately. Like, I'm going through bags, bro. I'm going through bags for you guys. All right, let me hit y'all with the disclaimer, and then let's talk about these order blocks. But I gotta scream for the disclaimer. We gotta go to our old ways. We gotta go to the old ways. Ready? Disclaimer. All content presented is a complete joke and should not be taken seriously. Gio is an incompetent 5'2 3/4" wannabe singer and definitely not a financial advisor. Crypto's a scam. Making money online is impossible. Global warming is real. And the earth is flat. Viewer discretion is advised. Okay. Now that we have all the new people in the chat, greetings to all the new members. Welcome. Glad to have you here. Also, greeting to all the 69s in the chat. Glad to have you here as well. I like my YouTubers 5'3" and taller. Jet's a G. Yo, Jet is a G, man. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. I had to give Jet his own role in the Discord of how much he's a G. Okay, so what do we got going on? How do we find this trade, right? How do we get to this? Oh, my boy wants the money song and the fire mods to a flame. What about 12 hour and ETH got a hidden one on the daily? I mean, yeah, technically ETH does have daily hidden bull divs. It definitely does. 12 hour is still too close to the daily in my opinion. So like we wouldn't really fuck with the 12 hour. Plus, until I see evidence that we're gonna go high, like look, objectively, look, we're gonna be objective, okay? As much as I would love price to go down and I'm in my position and I'm chilling, like we are at the bottom of a range. So you should be looking for longs at the bottom of the range, right? You should be. But also like you got to be aware of where you are in the cycle. You know, we've had 2 drops. We need 1 more drop. And who knows, man, we're coming into an order block right now. So we'll see. If I see evidence of longing here, I will long. Guys, I'm a scalper. People seem to think like, for example, my thumbnail today is that I shorted. Tomorrow I'll wake up and Bitcoin's at 10,000 million. And then they're going to say, how are your shorts? And I'm going to say, bro, what shorts? You know what I mean? Like, what are you talking about? Like, I'm giga long, bro. What the fuck are you talking about? Anyway. All right, let's talk about this, okay? So this is one of the trade ideas that I had given to my VIP members, okay? We front ran this zone a little bit, which is fine. It's actually better confluence for later to short from here. But in my scalp level, we hit it perfectly, okay? And as I mentioned in the Discord, I have a swing level, which I give in advance. And then I have scalps that I update 10,000 times a day, okay? 10,000 times a day. And so when we were up here, that's when I gave the idea. And guys, listen, it was as simple as this. This is why market structure is king. Market structure is the only thing that you need. Okay? Market structure comes above all. If you don't know how to trade with market structure, no indicator is going to help you. Not market cipher, not gay Lux Algo, nothing. Market structure is king, okay? Your market structure from the low to the high on these significant, I mean, relatively significant time frames was up, down, up, down, up, down, up, break a structure. You even had the retracement, okay? You even got the retracement. Even had that. And then down you go. So it was at this moment in time where we had the clue that we were going to come down, right? But we didn't just get any break of structure. We got the break of structure while coming into our scalp zone. Oops. That was actually yesterday's short. I'll talk about this because I broke even on this one. But while we came into this zone, after hitting an order block, right? We had a break of structure to the downside or a change of character, however you want to call it. And then down you go. Okay? Down you go. And I want to explain to you guys why you have no reason to FOMO ever. Okay? Look at how long after your break of structure you had to enter this trade. You had 2 hours and 15 minutes to enter the trade. Based on the concepts that I teach, 2 hours and 15 minutes you had to enter this trade. Now, luckily for you guys, I was doing a one-on-one while this was happening and we were watching it live. I don't know if I'm going to release it. I have asked permission from the guy that I was doing the one-on-one with because I have to get permission. I might release it for you guys. Very, very, guys, watch your key level. As soon as you see the confirmation with your structure change, that's all you got to do. Literally, that's all you got to do. And that's when I messaged here. It was here at this point. So 2 hours and 30 minutes, 2 hours and 15 minutes, whatever, before our dump right now, I came into VIP and I told you guys, I'm all fun and joking around. If it's your first time here, we don't always do chill streams. I'm always out here loud, screaming, singing all the time. But yeah, it is a change of character, but I don't use change of character. That's gay as shit. When people do this, like, so gay. Anyways, it is a chotch, but I'm not going to call it a chotch. The break is it's the same shit. Like, the idea is there. Anyway. 2 hours and 15 minutes prior to the dump is when I gave the level. And like I said, I'm all fun and chippy and bubbly and whatever, but when it's time to take profits, I'm like, boys, it's time to take profits. It's simple as that, man. It's as simple as that. So just like we saw here on the high, and we saw that our 15-minute structure broke bearishly. Remember, your 15-minute structure flipping bearish is a good indication that perhaps your 4-hour continuation is in the cards now. Remember, and your 4 hours bearish. So this could be your 4-hour right now that we just put in to then make a lower low, right? This could be your 4-hour right there. We hit the order block. We got the confirmation. Down we go. So we're going to find out here soon what our order flow objective is, really. We do have key levels above us, right? If you want to call it easy and make it easy for people, we do have the 618, right? The 618 above us. And I'm sure a lot of people are waiting for the 618 above us. But are they going to really make it that easy for people to short / get out of their long positions? If the true move, if the true order flow objective is to go down, you think that they're going to make it that easy? This is going to have a lot of people scratching their heads. Oh man, why did we front run the 618? Well, we probably front ran the 618 because it's a retail thing to do. Why would you be like so caught up on the 618? That doesn't mean that we can't come up there, but why would you be so caught up on that if there were levels of resistance prior to the 618? You know? So I got it. My people got it. We got the trade. And so just like here at the high where we had this change of structure, right? Change of character on the highs. We have a 1-hour order block down here. And your 1-hour structure, I mean, is, I guess, technically it's pointing down. technically all the time frames are pointing down because nothing took this high yet. That's technically, but you could say, all right, this is a little baby order block. And so, you know, if we get a nice market structure flip coming out of this zone, just like we had a market structure flip coming out of this zone, you could say, all right, I'll try to long it up as high as they let me. But your 15-minute structure, remember, is this. So if you do end up getting a long from here, should you be shooting for the stars? Well, no, because that would disrespect structure. You could maybe shoot it to like here for your lower high to then make a lower low. Because if you long here, you are counter trend trading, which, believe me when I tell you, is so nice to say talking about the shorts. So nice to say, because I love that. So we'll see, man. We'll see if we lose this order block, like there are levels below that we could scalp, and we're gonna scalp, right? Just like in the macro of it, when you're at the highs, you should be looking for shorts, and when you're at the lows, you should be looking for longs. Same thing. Right now, we're dead center of the range. Okay, we are dead center of our range, and so when you're at the highs of the range, you look for longs. When you're at the lows of the range, you look for shorts. Right? We're still in the premium section. So that's basically what's up with BTC, baby. You're down for Moth to a Flame. Get VIP and come hang out with me. Yeah, Jet's banned from Jet's literally banned from general. Tell us about stuff that matters. Do I try to eat right? What does eat right mean? I do eat right, bro. I do eat right. I'm on point. As based on market structure, we are to form a lower low on ETH. Yeah, I mean, okay, because I keep getting some ETH questions, and this is what I'll tell you about Ethereum. I'm on YouTube because I keep saying gay. Yeah, whatever, I don't care. What's up, Mark? How you doing, bro? This is what I think about ETH, and this is what I think about literally the entire market, bro. Ethereum. Okay, so let's talk about ETH. Ethereum, I guess similar to Bitcoin, but way worse. Way worse. Ethereum is way worse to trade than Bitcoin. Okay, way worse. Like Bitcoin, though, it does this stupid thing where it just curls up forever. The reason I tell you it's way worse, look at the dump that we had back in August. Bitcoin, at least on some exchanges, recovered this wick. Ethereum didn't care. Ethereum just said, nah, see you later, peace out. Okay, so you could argue that Ethereum could have or should have come back to 1455 after this big dump, kind of like what we had now. Okay, so now Ethereum does this thing, which is exactly this thing, where it literally just goes on a bender and it runs up on like the tightest, I don't use channels, but like the tightest channel until it breaks, and then it absolutely gets demolished. Okay, if you were a trend line trader, which I am not, please don't ever call me that, I'll literally barf. You know, stuff like this, right? Ethereum does this. Very high, very tight channels. I'm gonna show you back in the last cycle the exact same thing. This is what I'm talking about. Ethereum loves to do this. Ethereum almost trades like the ES, like in this. And then as soon as it breaks it just gets smacked down. So understanding that, you know, I think in general, especially with dominance as oh wait, that's not dominance, this one. Especially with dominance relatively so on the rise, okay? Your altcoins are going to bleed, okay? If dominance continues to rise while Bitcoin continues to drop, your alts are going to bleed, as indicated here, which is also why I'm telling you that some of your alts might make new lows the way that Cardano might. And I think, my opinion, I think anybody would be foolish to say that it can't make a new low. I'm not saying it will. I'm saying it can, right? And as I mentioned earlier on the stream, you're not allowed to say can't in trading because anything can happen. Anything can happen. Gio is dressed. Yes, sir. Man, this stream would be gold for someone trying to get into trades. Well, I mean, come into the Discord, bro, because I update them in real time. You know, I say stuff like that, waiting for the retracement. You know, hit this. You can enter anywhere here. We're looking for this order block. We might get it. We might not get it. I'm going in. You know, I tell you guys, oh, I started getting my, like, I dipped my toe in the water. I'm building my position. Like, I update the Discord all the time. Tell me more. What do I eat mostly? Well, Dave, all right. You asked for it, bro. This is what I get. So morning, 200 grams of egg whites with 2 whole eggs and 2 pieces of turkey bacon with half a bagel of my choice. Today, cinnamon raisin. Then I have pre-gym workout. Pre-workout snack is a Rice Krispie and a protein bar. Then I have 175 grams of Greek yogurt mixed in with my protein powder and 100 grams of berries. I have 100 grams of an apple with 30 grams of peanut butter. I have 100 grams of rice with 200 grams of chicken breast. And then throughout the day, I have 2 different times 100 grams of any green in my of my choice, like broccoli or spinach or cucumbers, whatever. That's literally exactly what I have every single day. No, that's not me bulking. That's actually me kind of cutting. No, I have 2 whole eggs. So two whole eggs with 200 grams of egg whites. Tino is a different opinion about ETH. He prefers to trade it. I like ETH, man. A lot of people don't like ETH. I actually very much so like ETH, but it's could be a little bit harder to to trade than Bitcoin. And the reason why, I'll tell you, this is my opinion. I just think that it's harder because everything's gonna follow Bitcoin anyway, but not necessarily everything is going to follow ETH. Like ETH and Bitcoin work in tandem. It's very rare that you'll be able to like long ETH while shorting Bitcoin. It's very rare that happens. Very rare. All right, Daniel says, how do you join the VIP callouts? Daniel, bro, you head over to the link in the description, but it's basically my website. So if you go to tradewithgeo.com/join-VIP, you can sign up here for the Discord. Bitcoin can't go to 100 million tomorrow. Okay, yeah, that's probably true. That's probably true. Geo blows the scalp channel up more than a crazy X. Yo, for real. For real, man. Damn, am I bulking? No, I'm not bulking. No, oh yeah, I already read that. Why do I avoid ramen and meat? No, I don't have any avocado. I have a coach, bro. Like my coach is like making my meal plan. I don't know anything about what I'm eating, but he's got me like doing good, you know? Even here in the Discord, you guys know I always preach strong body, strong mind, discipline in the gym, discipline in the charts. You can't just be financially free. You got to be on it. No one's allowed to be fat. Not in my Discord anyways. And so, like, you know, we got the boys here posting and motivating each other. You know, this is right now, this was week 8. So that was 2 weeks ago. And then when I first started, this was in Miami. Thanks to my coach. We got the coach in the chat, but he's just been a little bit busy. Anyway, yeah, like my coach got me down, you know? We got it all down, so. Come with me and you'll be in a world of pure imagination. Bum 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 bum. I got the domain, bro. Gio, I get a year in your Discord with Market Cipher and your link. Yeah, bro. So if you buy Market Cipher for life, then you get 1 year of my Discord. So all you do is you buy Market Cipher, you make sure that my affiliate link is on, and like, buy it on incognito mode, because sometimes it gets credited to like another account, which is stupid. I don't know why. It's like a thing. But anyways, do that. and then open up a ticket in the Discord and DM us the invoice, okay? I will cross-reference with Market Cipher. Once I can confirm that I got the credit for it, then if you buy it for life, then you get VIP for 1 year. If you buy it for 1 year, then you get VIP for 1 month. Great content, bro. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. You closed your short back at 63,923 because I thought we were going up. Would I go back in? I mean, I wouldn't go back in here, but I mean, yo, a win is a win, bro. We'll see what happens. I mean, look, I think we're gonna come lower. I didn't close my shorts yet. If I see a significant market structure change, then I will. So for that, for example, I would want to see this down, up, sweeping this low, and then this is the new high that we need to break. And if we break that, I'll probably take some profits and look to re-add to my short later. But for now, we're chilling, man. Short and chill for now. How long did it take me to become profitable? I would say it took me about a year and a half. I'd say it took me about a year and a half to become like a little profitable. Not like sustainably, but like not losing money. So let's say a year and a half for break even, and then you know, things turned there. Listen, no one is allowed being fat. Yeah, man, like bring back fat shaming. I 100% agree with that. 100% I agree with that. Bring back fat shaming. Bring back fat shame on. Everyone is so soft. Yeah, I agree. Joe, can I throw in a course and you'll get it now? Yeah, okay. I'll give you, listen, if you get it today, I will give you the Market Cipher bootcamp as well. But you have to get it for life. So if you got to get Market Cipher for life, show me the thing. Market Cipher for life. You'll get 1 year free of my VIP, and you'll get the Market Cipher bootcamp. Bundle VIP with diet. The world was such a better place when we shamed the fat and called each other gay. Yeah, I agree with that. Target for the short, I mean, go back at the beginning of the stream, but I think that we could get a really big significant move to the downside, truly. On what site do I short? I trade on MEXC currently. Which, by the way, guys, if you're looking for an exchange, I mean, MEXC, they're having some KYC stuff going down, so I'm actually going to be probably moving to another one. But for now, MEXC is the spot to be. Considering to refund your Cipher, should you? I don't know, bro, if you want to. Yo, Micah or Mika, sorry if I'm saying that wrong. Says Jesus Christ over a year. Yo, listen, you like, that's good. If you're here trying to become profitable, like, or with the idea of becoming profitable and just changing your life in less than a year, like, good luck, man. Good luck. Truly, that's not like, actually, I wish you best, because I don't think so, but hey, maybe you're better than me. No idea why we saying fat is healthy in this modern time. Yeah, man, it's gross. Started trading 1 month and lose 500 bulk. Long way. Yeah, man, you need time, guys. You need time. The market has a bunch of different moods. The market, okay, listen, the market has like seasons. Okay, the market's got seasons. Like, think of like winter, spring, summer. It literally has seasons. Right now, we've been in up only mode. The funny thing is that, so people argue that retail is not in yet. Okay, people tell me like retail is not in. If you go to Google Trends, look, this is what I say. If you go to Google Trends and you just search Bitcoin, okay, go to Google Trends, search Bitcoin, go to past 5 years, go to worldwide, okay, fine. 5 years, maybe back in 2021, when at the high of it, whatever. Come to the past year. Actually, don't even come back to the past year. The all-time high, when was the all-time high? November, okay? We are higher right now. What was it? November 2021, right? The all-time high was November 2021. I don't remember if it's November 2021. Hold on. Let's try 12 months. Okay, I'm just gonna go to my Twitter because I don't know. Okay, worldwide for the past 5 years, November 2021, Bitcoin was at 50. Okay, currently in March of 2024, Bitcoin's at 64. So Bitcoin right now has more searches at the all-time high now than it did during the actual bull market. I'm not saying that it's not a bull market right now, but Bitcoin was at the all-time, like we have more on Google Trends than we did at the all-time high of 2021. So when people argue and tell me that retail's not here yet, you can't tell me retail's not here yet. You can't. Either you're right and Google's wrong, which is very unlikely, or you're just wrong. And like that's and like when people say, yeah, retail's not even here yet, like who is giving you this data? Who is giving you this information? Is it your opinion that they're not here yet because your friend didn't ask about it and they asked about it last time? Like, who is telling you that? That's what people don't seem to understand. They don't get it. They don't get it. And people believe it. That's the problem. I could come here right now. I have somewhat of an influence now. Okay? And I could sit here and tell you that Bitcoin, I could come up with anything. I could just say, yo, guys, you know, Bitcoin in the North Pole is being accepted. And you guys will believe it. These other influencers, YouTubers, I don't even want to call myself that, but they say, oh yeah, guys, retail's not here yet. This is that. The inflows, like, yo, who's giving you this data? And it's believable because of the audience. You know, if I was BitBoy and I had 1 million people and I said some bullshit like that, you guys would believe it. But who's giving you that information? All right. Calfan says, I respect you, Trader Geo, for working out on stream. You're such a positive influencer and good force for the planet. I appreciate that, man. I listen, I'm loud sometimes. You know, I can make noise, but what's it called? But yeah, I've been fortunate enough to be given this gift. And I just want to be able to help people, man. I've always been like this. And now to be able to help people online is truly a blessing. So I appreciate that very much. So that comment really means a lot to me, truly. And I'm not just saying that. So thank you. A pure imagination. Am I tired today? No, I'm not tired. I just feel like chilling, you know, vibing. I'm out here screaming all the time. When was the first time I heard about Bitcoin? Maybe like 2015. But I didn't buy in 2015. I don't believe anything coming from someone under 5'5". Yeah, man, you shouldn't, because hello, disclaimer. All content presented is a complete joke and should not be taken seriously. Gio is an incompetent 5'2" and 3/4 wannabe singer. Definitely not a financial advisor. Crypto's a scam. Making money online is impossible. Global warming is real. And the earth is flat. Guys, the link of the Discord is in the description of the channel. Brother.
We are the music makers.
Retail is buying ETF. They don't like seed phrases. Who do you think was buying all the Coinbase coins on memes on Solana? Bro, there are Nazi coins on Solana. And people are saying that retail is not in. There are literally like Hail Hitler coins that are 1000xing. And people are saying retail is not in. Like, how stupid can you be? How stupid can you be? What do you mean it takes you to pay on WAP? It definitely shouldn't take you to pay on WAP. Hold on. Of pure imagination. No, join the first link, the join our trading network. You're clicking on join the VIP Discord, which actually I need to change the link for that. Thanks for the reminder. tradewithgeo.com/join-VIP. Anyways, guys, so I mean, that's what's going on with BTC right now. Dominance is relatively, you know, on the rise. So if Bitcoin dumps, your alt will die. Bitcoin dumps, your alt will die. What are my thoughts on footprint/order flow, and how much do I rely on it to determine the interaction between buyers and sellers? I don't really use it anymore. I tried it. I look at it from time to time, but I don't actually, I mean, I'm not going to sit here and say it's not useful information, because it is. But I just I found that using order blocks, market cipher, and other smart money concepts, market structure, a lot better than this. Maybe I am not the best at reading this and interpreting this, which is a possibility. I'm not going to sit here and say that that is impossible. I'm not super confident in this. That's why I haven't done the boot camp yet. I was talking about giving you guys a boot camp, but I've tried it, I've played around with it, and I've gotten wrecked with it. So, you know, I don't think it's good for me. So now we're just in this little mini range, right? We got a little mini range going on now. Let's see what happens here. No stress, my boys. No stress. Cool, bro. I'll check it right after stream. Probably the mean retails are not in BTC. I don't know, man. Listen, in my perspective is this whole move up was driven because of the ETF news, and then now it's because of the halving, whatever. But if you guys if you think that there was going to be a bull market, I'm not saying that this is not a bull market, but what I'm saying is, if you if they're gonna really continue price higher, so significant highs, right? People are ridiculous in saying that retail is not here. People are ridiculous in their targets. Oh, $150,000 easy. I don't know how you come up with that. I truly have no idea. I don't know, no fib or anything, extension, whatever is gonna tell you that. I don't know how they can, anyway. And so that's my opinion, by the way. No hate on the ones that use fib extensions. I don't know how to use it, and I don't know how they come up with that. But what I will say is, you think if they're gonna really send the price up to those levels, which I hope they do, man. People think that I'm a hater because I say that it can go down. I'm just a realist. If they're gonna send price higher, don't you think that sweeping some of this liquidity is a good thing? Guy, we've been literally up only for a year. Anybody that's bullish on Bitcoin should be praying to God that we come down to this level. This is my potential black swan event zone. Should be praying. If you're bullish on Bitcoin, you should want this. You know? You should want it. Probably. Did I take a look into Tino's ExoChart course? No, I didn't. Hello from Romania. Hello from Toronto. What's up, bro? How you doing? Grumpy monkey. Thanks, mate. You seem to have a nicely worked out. Thank you, man. Appreciate you. Oh, shouts out to Dr. J, bro. Thank you very much for the donation. I appreciate it, man. To be the top 1%, you just need to not think like the other 99%. That's my guy right there. Told me that quote the other day over live chat. So shouts out to you, my brother. Thank you very much for the donation. Appreciate you, bro. God bless. Shall we raid into Crypto Wars live stream? Alex O is battling there. Yeah, we can do that. What do I do? Crypto Wars? Whoops, didn't mean to caps that.
And I found
Oh, there he is. Who's in here? Why have these guys not hit me up yet? I want a refund. Oh, you have to be subbed? I actually... Oh my god, these guys are using fibs. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see what these guys are saying.
Still haven't gotten up to it. I actually have a little bit more of a short right here at about the 64,890, but we didn't hit it, unfortunately. So now I'm just kind of like in my position. I'm up like $2, and I'm hoping to kind of bring it down. I don't know how to zoom out on this. Let me see. This is like, I'll try to reset the chart, but
No worries. No worries.
yeah,
So
essentially
you
I'm
are
trying
in
to bring it down here to this.
Yeah,
lower
when
level.
Geo
something
Wars.
weird's going on with my charts. I'll just
When
stop sharing
Geo
so you can,
Wars.
get
Yo,
it
guys,
right
let's
away.
get the pickle emojis. Everybody come to this
But
link.
You're in a short right now. You're up a couple bucks. We'll see how that.
Yep, about
continues to play out.
$5.
Everybody go.
Let me ask this. So, who's bullish on the 1.5 hours of trading that we have today? Who's
Yeah,
not
let's-
bullish on what they're going to do. I'm saying bullish on the market. Who is bullish on the market right now? Anybody?
How
Go
come
see
I
Guy.
can't?
Go
Where's
see
the...
Guy? Talk to me what you see going on there, weatherman.
Let's go, Jet!
I'm always bullish. We're talking about Bitcoin.
Jet is a
Guys,
G.
this is not financial advice, but you'll see. Let me come clean here. I'm all the way down here on Bitcoin. My saving accounts, it's completely orange. So I need to be Bitcoin. If you guys watch my
Yo, why can't
prediction,
I do this freaking...
video or our prediction video here with Trapfly?
I can't even click my...
500,000 Bitcoin by an extended period of time. So I need to be bullish. Also, I mean, if
Why
you
is this
share
not
my screen,
working?
I'll be
Yep.
very glad. This is
Yeah.
what I was
Okay, I
looking
can't
at.
even get the
My
pickle
business
emoji
is
up.
right
I don't know
here. I
why.
have a little bit of a trend line going in. I'm on the 15 minutes, but also looking at the 1 minute chart. As you can see, this is basically what I'm looking at. And the reason being, it is, yes, we are below the zero line, so we don't have enough momentum. But also, I do see Wyckoff pattern here. We're coming down. We have that little range. Look at that little range. It's basically right on a high order block. That gives us, along with this V-shaped recovery, 70% chances of ranging we're doing, right? So far, we're still pretty bearish, right? Not gonna lie, we're still pretty bearish. And that's why you see me just aiming at the bottom and also
Bum,
aiming
bum,
at the top.
bum.
So this is my next entry. Let me bring up
Yeah, shouts out to Alex O
So as you can see,
Crypto.
it is basically the same area where I'm planning to go short.
Disclaimer,
I don't
guys.
even know what these EMAs are, but they're just came out
I
with
can't
a
say all
price.
content
So,
presented because I don't even know who this guy is. But
AMAs,
this
and
guy's
they are
content,
very nicely
or
within
my
this
Geo's
short area
content,
right here.
is non-financial, 5'2" and 3/4. You guys
Hold
know.
on, let me stop you real quick, just to make sure. Uh-oh.
Oh, did he just get booted?
Thank you, Blood. Thank you. I appreciate that. I brought Blood back because I love him and he gives me good sound effects.
I
so
give
for
you the
sure.
sound support, man. I'm giving
Crypto
you the sound
blood,
support.
crypto
Sound
blood.
Where did the OC guy go? There he is. Okay. I started.
All right, no free clout. Goodbye. See you guys later. Not you guys, them guys. No free clout. Yeah, I couldn't get the pickle up, bro. For real. You like my style of trading? Thank you, man. Appreciate it. I pray for $5. PTCZ, BTCZ. How would you know that you're thinking like the 1% when you go against the herd? Like, I mean, everything I say contradicts with what everybody else says all the time. So that's how. Jet's a G, bro. All right, how many likes are we at? 130 likes, baby. Let's go. So we're going to do a giveaway here. We are going to do a giveaway. All right, guys, you know what? Let's actually do the giveaway now because I'm going to get off in a bit here. So let's do our giveaway. Here's what we're going to do for the giveaway, my friendos. In a world of pure imagination. Shorty got ass. Shorty got ass. That's not even a song, but we're singing it. Shorty got ass. Shorty got ass. Shorty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep on. Got me singing like, All right, guys, listen, we're going to do the giveaway, man. As I illustrated at the beginning of the stream, I got 4 boot camps: market structure, keystones and building the narrative, order blocks and liquidity, market Cipher B, and time frames. And in order for you to get one of these giveaways for free, all you got to do is head over to that YouTube video, hit the like button, and drop an emoji. Say any comment you want. I don't care, as long as you drop the emoji. And the emoji that it has to be is, you know what? Some kind of flower, man. Some kind of flower. I don't care what it is. Some kind of flower. So anything you want. Gio, you suck. Gio, your beard is stupid. Gio, you're the king of everything and everyone. I don't care what you say. It's gotta have has to have a flower emoji. We're gonna go ahead here in just a minute, and we're gonna do the giveaway. And when we do that, one of you lucky people shall win, or unlucky, depending on if you like me or not. While you guys are doing that, I'm going to be right back and use the bathroom again. So I'll be right back, and we'll get her going. We will get her going. Give me one sec. Come with me and you'll see in a world of pure imagination. There's nothing to it. See what my MCB looks like, McDonald's? It was supposed to be Iron Man, okay? Boot camps, you meant? Will they include the Discord? No, they don't. Boot camps do not include it. Come with me and you'll be in a world of pure imagination. Okay, guys, so listen. Every day I do the giveaways, right? And if you're new here, I mean, welcome to the party, baby, because we about to get down. Shake your booty. What's that one song? Shake your booty. Who's it by? Shake, shake, shake. Dun, 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 dun. Isn't that Casey and whatever? Yeah, let's see if we can get a nice karaoke of that. Welcome to the party, boys, because this is how we run it here. Hold on. This is what we do. Oh, this is what we're gonna do. We're so doing this. We're doing this, guys. Let's get some energy right now. We're gonna get some energy. Let's get some disco balls in the chat here. And we're gonna be exaggeratory because that's what we do, baby. Wow, you guys couldn't even hear me the whole time. That's stupid. That's the way, Okay, one sec. Uno momento. Let's hide that for a second. Where's my thing at, brother? That's the way I like it. Oh, that's the way. All right, guys, listen. In exactly, what time is it right now? In exactly 3 minutes from right now, we're going to do the giveaway. So make sure you go to that video. Okay, I'm going to refresh it. See how many comments we got here. All right, beautiful. We got 41 comments in the house. Beautiful. Keep them coming. We're going to do it in 3 minutes. In the meantime, this is what we're going to do because this is what we do. And if you are new here, this is what we do every single day. I am not just a bot. Okay, I actually have a personality. Unlike some of these. I like it. All right, let's check how many we got. Let me hit the refresh button, man. says, congrats, bro. You are the winner of the boot camp. You already know, man. You got to open up a ticket in the cord. All right, in the Discord. We might actually have to take a little bit of a long position here. We'll see. I'll let you guys know in the Discord. Probably not, though. I'm going to hit the gym. Guys, thank you guys for an amazing stream. I know the echo's on, but you're going to get over it. Congratulations, bro. You know what you got to do. Head over to the Discord. Open up a ticket. Let us know which one you want. I shall see you guys tomorrow. Happy trading. Stay safe. TTYL.
Set my heart on fire.